My father told me how Washington prayed, knees in the mud where the cold night lay. His men were starving, their boots worn through, but faith held strong when hope was thin. He said, son, this land was bought with pain. Freedom was forged in the fire and rain. Told me how Lincoln stood that day, fields of the fallen where the blue coats lay. With words so brief but a fire so true, he bound the nation in red, white, and blue. Son, remember, through loss we stay. Freedom's a vow we renew each day. How the wagons rolled out west, dreams in their hearts, no time for rest.